blood? Why is there blood? Why is there blood?
Where?
Why is there blood?
Where?
Why is there blood?
Ah!
Oh my god! There! Oh my god!
Alright, the flashlight attracts.
What?
So we gotta be careful.
Darren, where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Sprinting's loud.
Where are you?
We're here, bro.
Bro.
Alright, we gotta find the tapes.
Oh my god.
Yo,
What is that noise?
that means he's nearby. Oh wait, what's this? Wait, what is that in front of us?
Let's go to it.
What if we die?
Oh my god. Oh my god,
Yo.
my screen. My screen.
No.
Oh my god, my screen.
I'm going
Oh my
back.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm going back. Fuck that. That shit is death.
Is that? What is that? Why is it? There, my screen. There, my screen. There, my screen. There, my screen.
Yo, turn around,
There,
bro.
my screen. There, my screen.
What's happening?
Oh my god. I was walking in darkness, bro. It's like a cemetery. You go first. Okay.
Oh, see, this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Let's go over here, bro. Can I open this door?
What the frick? Why is there a
Yo, where'd you
building?
go? Where'd you go?
I'm at the building.
Yo, we can't lose each other, bro.
Oh, there's a bridge.
Let's go across this bridge. I'm playing a scary ass game, Franco. Oh, I hear tape, Evans. It's like Slenderman shit.
Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait, Franco, you
Yo, Darren, what is behind you? Darren, what is behind you? I'm playing. Oh my god, what is this?
bro, you hear that?
I hear something.
What's that
to our
growling, bro?
left. I hear something to our left.
Why did I hear someone growling?
Facts. We need to find more structures.
Look at your left. Is that a structure?
It's like a rock formation.
Just look around
It's
this.
like a tree stump. Oh my god.
What?
It's like
Oh.
a mouth.
Ah!
Oh my god. There. Why did you scream? Why did you scream?
Yo, he was right there.
Why did you scream? Go, you go back.
I'm going back. Alright, we'll get the... Fuck it, we'll get...
No, that scream was so OD. That scream was like a cartoon, bro.
Ah! For real. Alright, move to our left.
Jesus, I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Oh my god.
Did you see him?
Oh my god. Darren, my nose is gonna bleed. I feel like he's in my house.
He's right next to us.
Darren, I can't. Where are you? Are you behind me?
I'm right behind you.
I can't play.
Bro, I hear him next to us.
No. Oh my god, the green thing. Darren, I can't play this anymore. Darren,
Did you see him?
Yes, bro. Darren, I can't play this anymore. I'm not even sitting. Oh my god, it's water. Oh my god. Darren, I can't play this game anymore.
I'm right behind you, it's
Darren, I
okay.
can't play this game anymore. Darren, I don't want to play this game anymore.
We had to finish this.
I don't want to play this game anymore. I'm not even sitting down, bro. I'm like getting ready to jump. Like Darren, why did you make me play this game?
Scan this crib. I'm right behind you, my boy.
Oh my god, I hate being in the house. I feel like he's in my apartment. Oh my god.
Bro, where the furniture at?
Oh my god. Darren, what? Oh my god.
Wait. I'm kind of scared to turn.
We need to find the bridge. What? We need to find
Stop.
the bridge. We need to find the bridge.
The bridge is right there.
We need to get across. Why is there blood? Why is there blood? Why is there blood?
Where?
Why is there blood?
Where?
Why is there blood? Look at the ground. Look at the ground. Look at the ground. Oh my god.
Shit.
Why is my flashlight flickering, bro?
Oh, wait, we have battery. I forgot.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Darren.
I hear it.
Get it. What is this place?
I don't know. It's a sawmill.
We're dead, bro. We're dead. GG's, bro.
I hear it.
It has to be a tape here.
Wait, I hear it really close. Oh, I found it.
Stuck.
You next to me?
Yeah. Nice. Wait. Okay, go.
Is that the monster or is that the tape?
Stop. Darren, stop being annoying. Greenlaw, oh my god. It was so much better being behind.
Yeah, all I see right now is just your flashlight, so. Where we going?
Darren, I'm not playing anymore.
What happened?
I'm not playing anymore.
Where are you?
I'm not playing anymore.
He quit.
Oh my god, Darren, it's in my face. Darren, I can't move.